We invest millions of pounds every year to make sure our network is in the best possible condition. That's our overhead lines, our underground cables, and wooden poles like this. To learn more about what goes on behind the scenes, day in, day out, all year round, I've been out with some of our teams who've been working on the overhead network to check the condition of the poles and the lines that feed our communities, as well as the teams that look after substations such as this, that power thousands of local homes and businesses.
The inspection and maintenance is super important. The inspectors obviously are out all year round. They're carrying out all that inspection so we can pick up on any defects. We make sure that everything's safe for the customer, also safe for the staff that are working in the area. The maintenance is carried out in a timely manner, so make sure that we're doing routine maintenance in line with the requirements, and then that keeps everything working as best and efficiently as it can be.
We check the pole from top to bottom. We inspect it, make sure there's no decay in it, no damage, all the apparatus is fine, whether it requires anything, pole anti-climb or cable guards.
The work we do in maintenance isn't just for just now, it's for ultimately the future, ensuring that the equipment we're maintaining lasts for the timeline that we expect it to. And through our maintenance and inspection works, we can highlight any concerns around that and also give feedback to the existing plant that's in good, healthy condition.
Literally all over Argyll and majority of Tayside, we've inspected the poles, and I think my girlfriend's quite annoyed because every time we drive past a pole, I said I've inspected that. It's a cool thing to say.
It's like a completely different world, because before, unless you're in this industry, like there's hundreds and hundreds of these like everywhere on like each street pretty much, but you'll always walk past it. It's not really something you'll ever notice, and they're all like labelled that you can see. They'll then go to like different sites. This is the actual 33 kV transformer, and then just off of this is the tap changer, and this is what manages the load and going into the transformer. This is the part that I would maintain.
Meeting up with the men and women that look after our network day in, day out, carrying out these vital inspections, it's been a real eye-opener. It's been really interesting to learn just how much goes on behind the scenes to keep the power flowing 24/7 for our homes and businesses. And with electricity demand growing day by day and will grow even more in the future, the work that our men and women do in the maintenance inspection teams, it's important just now, but it'll be even more important in the future.